everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmummy.com, and today I want to share with you a couple of things you can make for Christmas or Christmas Eve for your family to eat. These are things, they're little treats I'm planning on making our family this Christmas, and you can enjoy them throughout the year as well. The first one is a red and green Christmas charcuterie platter. I have my big round cutting board, and all of the things I'm putting on here are from Costco, Canada. So first I'm starting with a few varieties of hard cheese, one soft cheese with cranberries in it, and then a variety of Italian dry cured meats. I'm just interspersing them on the platter just like this, kind of back and forth, and trying to present them nicely. Next, I'm adding some green colored fruits, so I chose to add some kiwi and some green grapes to this platter. And then I'm adding some crackers, so I love trying to find unique and delicious crackers. These ones are from Costco, Canada as well. I'm just arranging them on the plate between the rest of the items and then adding a few different varieties of crackers to the mix. I think the key to creating a beautiful and delicious looking platter is just to get a variety of each different item. Next, I'm adding in some red fruits, so I added in some red raspberries along with these pomegranate seeds. Then I'm adding in some nuts, so I chose to add some pecans throughout the platter. I'm also cutting a fig into quarters, and I'm arranging that on top of one of the cheeses, on the goat cheese, and then taking some local honey and drizzling that over top of the fig and the cheese. Then I found this red chili pepper jelly, and I'm spooning that on top of one of the cheeses just like this. Next are some rosemary sprigs, and I'm taking some of them and interspersing them throughout the platter. I love how they add a little bit of a festive touch, plus the flavor of rosemary is so delicious. I'm also adding a little bit of dill into the platter as well. Finally, I'm finishing off by adding some cutlery to the platter. I found this rose gold and marble cutlery at HomeSense this last summer, and just cutting off a little bit of the cheeses to start to help make sure that everybody isn't afraid to enjoy the platter. Here's how this red and green Christmas platter turned out. I think it looks so delicious. I definitely enjoyed making this test one and eating a lot of it, I admit. And I love the red and green for Christmas. You don't have to just enjoy something like this over Christmas. It makes a wonderful snack and appetizer throughout the year as well. You can add all sorts of different items, whatever your family enjoys, to the platter. The next one I want to show you is a DIY hot cocoa station for Christmas. So I'm cutting out some letters with my Cricut machine. I'll leave a link below to how I cut out letters, and I added them to some dollar store cups to make fa la 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 la. I'm also using some hot chocolate mix along with just some recycled jars that I had in my stash. So this is just a variety of pickle jars, of pasta sauce jars. I like to keep these and use them for DIYs. Then I'm turning this little planter upside down, and I'm placing the jars with the cocoa powder and some marshmallows on top of this upside down planter. I'm adding some coffee beans to another jar, and then I had this old bread pan. I'm putting it upside down and placing it in front of the planter. It just kind of gives my station another level, and then I'm putting the DIY little espresso mugs on top of that upside down bread pan. Here are some more recycled jars. They're smaller ones. I'm putting them as the third layer in the very front. And then into one, I'm adding some caramels, and then I'm adding these little chocolate sticks to a couple of the other ones. So I have them in a cookies and cream flavor and then a chocolate flavor. And I'm also adding some candy canes to an upcycled jar in the back here as well. And you can use them as stir sticks for hot cocoa, adding a little cup with some cinnamon sticks in it right here. And then also placing a jar of sprinkles and a large serving spoon in the back. I'm also adding some little festive tea bags and some sugar just in case people want to have tea. Also adding these napkins. I found these ones at Hudson's Bay a little while ago, and these really pretty gold tumblers as well. I thought it would be nice to hang up a little wreath here. This one is from Canadian Tire, and then I also have these little string lights from the Dollar Tree, adding them as well. And then a final festive touch to my recycled jars is just some little string with red and white colors. I'm also adding some gingerbread houses that we made. You might remember I just made them from a kit a little while ago, and I think they look so cute interspersed throughout this hot cocoa station. I'm also adding in some faux branches here just to add a little bit of greenery to the whole display. You can also add things like whipped cream and milk to the final display when you're ready to serve everything. And here is how this little hot cocoa station turned out. I think it looks really sweet, and it was so inexpensive to make. I made those cups with my Cricut and dollar store mugs, and then all of the jars are upcycled, and a lot of the treats are just from the bulk store or from my grocery store. And I can't wait to dive into this with my kids and my family next week for Christmas. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the red and green charcuterie platter and this Christmas hot chocolate station. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas. I'll leave some more videos that I hope you'll enjoy up in the top left-hand corner.